In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to work with Office Online on OneDrive step by step so you can create, open, edit, and share files right in your browser without needing to install anything on your computer. This is a super useful method if you want to work on Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations from anywhere and have everything saved automatically to the cloud. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to onedrive.live.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, or another Microsoft service, you can use the same login details here. After you sign in, you'll land on your OneDrive homepage, where all of your files and folders are stored online. Now, to create a new Office file, look at the top of the page and click the New button. When you click it, you'll see a list of different file types you can create. You can choose a Word document if you want to write text, an Excel workbook if you need spreadsheets and formulas, or a PowerPoint presentation if you're making slides. Once you select one of these options, OneDrive will automatically open the file in Office Online inside your browser. This is where the real magic happens. You do not need to download Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to your computer. Instead, you can edit everything directly online. Just click inside the document and start typing. If you're in Word Online, you can format text, add headings, make bullet points, and organize your content just like you would in the desktop version. If you're in Excel Online, you can enter data, use simple formulas, and build tables. And if you're in PowerPoint Online, you can create slides, add titles, and build your presentation page by page. One of the best parts about using Office Online on OneDrive is that your changes save automatically. That means you don't have to keep clicking save over and over again. As soon as you make an edit, OneDrive updates your file in the background. This helps protect your work and makes it much easier to keep everything synced across devices. If you already have a file saved in OneDrive, opening it is just as easy. Simply find the file in your OneDrive folder and double-click it. The document will open in Office Online right away, and you can continue editing from where you left off. This is perfect if you started a project on one device and want to keep working on another. Another important feature is sharing. If you want to collaborate with other people, click the share button in the top corner. From there, you can invite someone by email or generate a sharing link. You can choose whether they can view the file or edit it with you. This is especially helpful for team projects, school assignments, business documents, or any file that needs feedback from multiple people. You can also organize your work inside OneDrive by creating folders and keeping related files together. That makes it easier to find your documents later and keeps your workspace clean. If you work on a lot of files, this simple habit can save you a lot of time. So, to quickly recap, open OneDrive, sign in, click New, choose the type of Office file you want, edit it on the line in your browser, let OneDrive save your changes automatically, open existing files by double-clicking them, and use Share whenever you want to collaborate. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to work with Office Online on OneDrive, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.